This is the Sony DCR-TRV8, a mini-DV camcorder released by Sony in 1999 as part of the early Handycam digital video lineup. It records video onto mini-DV tapes using a 1/4-inch CCD sensor paired with a Carl Zeiss lens. The camera features 10 times optical zoom, 120 times digital zoom, and records standard definition DV video at 720 by 480 resolution. The camera also includes Sony's Night Shot infrared mode, allowing the user to capture video in near total darkness. On the side, you get a 3.5-inch flip-out LCD display, along with a color viewfinder for handheld shooting. The camera also features manual controls, including focus and exposure adjustments, giving it a more professional feel than many compact camcorders of the time. For connectivity, the TRV8 includes Firewire, also known as iLink, for direct digital DV transfer to a computer, along with S-Video and analog AV connections for playback and capturing footage. More than 25 years later, the DCR-TRV8 is still appreciated for its classic late 90s Sony design, strong mini-DV image quality, and the unmistakable look of early digital tape camcorders. So, let's head out, get some footage, and see what it looks like.